Mahaya News, Luma Bawumia Akwaba had the latest what news in Kwanam the Bremo. So we are subscribe to the channel now. Message say over subscribe. Jobaya and say over click the subscribe button. Now see what belly notification. We are the side video piano with sa ever can be. I thought we are now like a video no give us a thumbs up. Now see share my offer for so now we may be now war and I will win your echo. Afriyie here and some about the profit and some cost into something.
You go MPP nano Yama Kusi Kumase Omo Kwaku-Addo Omo running mate honorable Dr. Majipuku Pempe. Now Osha MC primaries Nipa Odi second honorable Kennedy Agyapong Atwapma Akompreko Kasapreko Okasa Obin Kembi Agyapong Okasai na nsem no kan na no hye na ye baby say was that the right platform na nke se obetimi use akasa nsem na na ebinim ya akaka bensem na obi a waye obi oni bia nkopo obi a chew na fine kosi hin. I think say Ken Agyapong a very good political strategist who I want to adia Ken Agyapong na se no agenda 2028 na Ken Agyapong was starting. So tie Ken Agyapong ya ube clear se papa no enya akomapa and odidi MPP amanyoku neti no yen kan okrencham fact. Why was he apologizing to his so-called supporters? Now the supporters now omunye MPP for ana onunko ano a politician na or political party bia or fan base omunni sa political party ni enti the supporters na no mudi na chi no senka onu no di nkunima nka are they voting for him because we enka enye osunu na nka all be right on na ko mato abama elephant. So was the apology now or make here also upon the supporters ne needful and I say ne needless ye be hwani na one adia Ken Agyapong ye no so tie ni ya nya Ken Agyapong ka che mo ani say me supporters mon kama komanto me me party ni me ni option party ne ko ba bia me di di akire ya ayi anye ya meba aba be contest simple obi a we political analyst MPP for no omo pen kore nti omo edin and omo can but after 2024 omo they will come and use this thing against Ken Agyapong na obi a we political analyst and obi a listening here bia utie Ken Agyapong bia that is what it implies. Say me supporters mo di matem because you need to say you want 12 June 2024 ya papa honorable Kennedy Kwame Atwapma Akompreko Kasapreko opem Agyapong ebeba akumase ebeka che say I she said the wajia to say Bawumia na the man for Ghana na Mahama should never be the alternative. And no when you backlash I'm a man for bebre edidi na tem na no na ono akoda bia hu say the credibility no ya bafem enti the way he can redeem his credibility is by say the same MPP platform no catch and say say enti no say no catch and supporters me ko me ko kan no kra ni kire omu Ken Agyapong is smart but hurry up MPP for there be a meeting for amunti ye can't have amunti NDC I all adia ba ko me pe NDC for asem say NDC they don't fucking care about you say when we say yan the history of NDC one the founder Jerry John Rawlings Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings 12 November 2020 and yani baby ko na Thursday. But at a point in time before answer obeuno na only NDC amanyoko no mo fa and omo tem to say NDC for who say Jerry Rawlings ni say wa work no emwa party no so NDC for per strategy bi omo di be do away with him because omu say ensema no kika ena kononwu kaya atamochiremai ena babies with sharp teeth, same old evil dwarfs. Omu say no, shade na o true na no she. Did they got to do away with him? I may do baby no Nana Akufo-Addo ye in say or a foreign minister or G. Rollins privileges and Rollins war as a former president in our feelings. Hey, Ghana and Sammy CEO. I feel the Rollins and Nana Akufo-Addo na yonko ne yonko brebo no ne kon nakranda. They became bedmates. Nana Akufo-Addo kwano president after Rollins president be Rollins criticizing Rollins offer Akufo Atta offer Professor Mills Atta Mochiriman door boy Mahama offer he described Mahama as the most corrupt president of Ghana. But Nana Akufo-Addo Rollins never criticized him because NDC phone say and some Rollins can and they did away with him. Some people fought now no more say Ken Agyapong and the Bemo winning election. Inti Anna Omo co platform bia so Bekasa no be here MPP Mube no more dachi 20 after 2024 you regret your actions. Edu baby yeah new year or party but unim yan kan okranche MPP for some man plan B na mo ye mo say Ken Agyapong or Lionel Messi ano Cristiano Ronaldo ano Didier Tebiti Drogba Alvin ano the assist Morella Gaucho Ronaldinho Luis Garcia ano my favorite player my all-time favorite Cristiano Ronaldo. And without him no you cannot do it. You are doomed because our party in Namulusu 2008 2012 or can be Namulusu here. Enti obetime winning election no and I'm obetime lose without him. And some original platform so okay Tuesday no. It was a very big indictment on the party. Ebekoso Ejimachi. Ken Agyapong is smart too. He is redeeming his credibility and he is making the grassroots feel say and Kofo omun kan kre. Omuba mo ha about what time ombeba mo any mo ba be sese. Na about oni twem a omuma mo biem. Na me de bia me nimo ane wo. The man is using the 2024 campaign platform to redeem his credibility for his future presidential ambition in 2028. And this man, where are the American minimpartial amount for Baby Didi Matem conversation? But later, more the Mebo Bebre, me, Assembly American be a Omomudi Matem, later or no more side the Mebo Bremen. The man has just begun the agenda 2028. Utie Papana, and yet Akumapa, and Odidi MPP for Chino. Now, we making MPP for and your mode, but may a okay Bible now. Yenya Kwabia ne friend Gideon Yakupon man say oni media nice enko omu ko no Yakupon ehun say nipa no mudi na chi no bebre na omakoma mu enye fae eti Yakupon man strategy ema ni nipa ni ma ni ka nipa 300 ema sa nipa no odom ko kun no o kan Judges chapter 7 a obehu the story of Gideon nyamina meka ema omko kun edi nkunim with nipa 300. Yeah, politics is a game of numbers, but Kete Wisi, a yesin dudu rura. Kete Wisi, a yesin dudu rura. MPP, Mekabi Amuntiemio. Nasamoya Mose, without Ken Agyapong, Muntimi will need 2024 election now. That is, you are making the man become a teen god, because those that are supporting Ken Agyapong, Masa, omo your margin some over to MPP. What you correct? Sa Brifaja and Champagne no, the channel, Niama omo ye ohonu. Na correct sa brighter media no, any Steve West, any those so-called Ken Agyapong channels now no mudine chine. The bloggers no. Even when the man has declared say Osoboto Bawumia, they are doing otherwise. And you people should not give him the platform to speak on it. Forget about him. What I say? Forget about him. and find a plan B. Some people for say Ken Agyapong and Kwan a bit more money 2024 election now. And the MPP and serious political party. I see a good party. No, there's a party, a party can kind because party are who dear who did you say without a single human being nipa back open. Now okay. What about say Papa and maybe be do new be MPP should find a plan B. They should find a better strategy because Papa ni semo ko jina o kan Tuesday no. And one party no one. The man is a selfish politician who always want to destabilize the front of the party. Now on my nipa penifo our party no. And looking back for one own self parochial interest and his own self aggrandizement. Masa, if you don't do away with this man, your party will collapse. Me catch him playing. Me asma me ken. Ubedi matemu, uni matemu, family home. Say we a party, political party. Na say we say we the strategy back open na wo. Enti uni plan B. Ken Agyapong onye thing word. Don't make him a thing word. The man is never a thing word. Onu now me say obi anywa we serious. Sebi odidi no mkwaya. Obedwin kwa said this man should become a president of this country. Me, I'll say it anyway. I'll say it today, I'll say it tomorrow. I don't care the repercussion, I don't care the number of people that come and attack me. No, because the man is not serious. The man is suffering from credibility crisis. And now Kawi, no Abekawi. And then Nipa also me Akufo, and then only Akufo na the change that platform for a campaign. Hey! There's a one campaigning. This man, during the primaries, or no woman, what can some ama NDC for a lot of ammunition. Ni tape say oh, ya ka say boy here that. And the same people for no, mona mo say we are seeing nyansa in Ekuta mo Kwaku Annan nyansa. Mo ntimi mpe strategy bi, na mo mpe plan B. Na say mo say Ken Agyapong one the Mensah. Obama mo lose to winning 2024 election now. You are doomed. The word to the wise is enough. Why? The word to the wise is in a monochrome. Not even in the north, in a monochrome. Why?
Yo, wait for because this so and now we so we will subscribe to the channel now. Mr. say over subscribe now. Well, like now see what share video no ama of so any be now what was with me actually working Afriyie and so we na home ewo comment box no mobati interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.